Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into a little bit of skincare, and today's video is sponsored by medactiveshop.com. All of the products featured in today's video will be available at medactiveshop.com, and stay tuned for later in the video and I'll be sharing with you guys a 15% off discount code as well. So I am testing out their double chin reducer today. So I am 31 years old, and lately I've really been trying to focus on my skincare, getting my skin in a much better condition so that I feel more comfortable not wearing makeup as much. And as you get older, as you age, you can have, signs of aging in your neck as well as your face. My mother used to always tell me that you always want to make sure that your neck and your hands look really good, because those are two places that you can really tell the age of a woman. So I like this kit because even though I don't have a lot of wrinkles yet, I want to do that maintenance early so that I don't get a ton of wrinkles. And also, I am a chubbier girl, and I am getting older, so the double chin issue was something that I did want to just kind of tighten and firm up so that just my neck and everything looks a lot better. So I really kind of feel like this kit does make a difference. I instantly felt a difference in how my skin felt and the firmness of my skin. So let's go ahead and jump into the products and the application.
So the first product is the Vella Contour Revital 4D V-Pack. It comes with 5 applications that help to tighten, tone, and shape your neckline. The idea of this product is to help give your chin that ideal V-line. It helps to slim down and give your chin line just a sharper look. So as you can see, the applicator does contain a lot of product. So it's very moist and it helps it to just stick onto your skin very easily. I just smoothed it on my neck going up my sides of my face. And once I had that adjusted, I just went and relaxed for about 45 minutes. And I just let the product do its job and just sat back and relaxed. After 45 minutes, you'll notice that most of the product has absorbed into my skin. And now I'm going to move on to the Vella Contour Firming Cream. I'm just going to take a generous amount and smooth that over both my neck as well as my face. The great thing about the firming cream is that it's formulated to regenerate facial volume and skin elasticity with potent, naturally derived actives. It helps to reshape your chin and your neck contour for a visible 3D effect. And it helps to increase elasticity and firmness and improve overall skin smoothness and texture.
So overall, I do definitely feel a difference in the texture of my skin, the softness. I feel like it's retained moisture a lot better than it was before. My skin doesn't look as dull without makeup. It looks a lot more luminous and just naturally glowy, which I like. So the smell is nice as well. It doesn't have like an overly perfumey or floral smell to it like a lot of cosmetic products have. So I really like the fact that it has a very subtle scent, barely noticeable. So I was able to put it on and sit back and relax without being, bothered by the smell of it. Also, as promised, MedActiv is giving my subscribers 15% off their order. So you can use 15% off from Sheila at checkout on medactiveshop.com to take advantage of that discount. You'll want to pick up this kit. It comes with both the mask and the cream. You need both of them to really get the full effect of the results that I achieved. Both work together to just make your skin so much better. So definitely check them out if you want to reduce your fine lines, if you want to prevent fine lines, if you have a double chin or you don't want to have a double chin and you want to keep everything right and tight, head over to medactiveshop.com and check them out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.